Hey, this is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. This video is called You Piss Me Off. South Greeley Highway in Cheyenne, and it used to be called the Dirty Duds. And the reason I'm making this video is because you pay for hot water, but you don't get it. This is the second time I paid for hot water. It's an extra quarter, but you don't get the hot water. And the woman said, there are so many people using the washing machine that our boiler can't keep up. I am the only person washing clothes in there right now. So anyway, I just thought I would add to You Piss Me Off videos. So you pay for hot water. You add the 25 cents, you don't get hot water, you go and talk to them, and what they tell you is, so many people using the washers that the boiler can't keep up. I am the only person in this laundromat washing clothes right now. Excuse me, there is one other. They paid for hot. And you feel the door, and guess what? Cold as can be. And this is what you pay for a load of clothes. Okay, and that is 5 minutes, but it is $5.50. So this is Brad. And this is another video called You Piss Me Off. So I'm going to come one more time, and I'm going to find out if I get hot water, and if I don't, I'm going to go up to the Capitol, and I'm going to lodge a complaint in the Consumer Protection Affairs. Talk to you later.